To answer the question of how to create applications in Java, it is important to note what tools to use to write the application. These tools include the Java Development Kit. The latest version of the Java Development Kit is the version 17. You will also need a development environment. Development environments are often of two kinds. The integrated development environment offers so much flexibility and features through integrated plugins that helps in software development. Most IDEs comes with embedded compilers and sometimes a development kit. Other features like code completion, syntax highlighting, software builds, as you will soon see, makes up the IDE. There is an exhaustive list of IDEs out there. Few examples of these are Netbeans, intellij IDE, Android Studio and Visual Studio. Text editors are the second kind of development environment. While text editors may only be limited to features like syntax highlighting and code completion, it still provides a great environment for software development. Examples of text editors are Visual Studio Code or VS Code, Notepad++, Sublime Text, Brackets, and lots more out there. In the next video, we'll look at how to download, install, and set up these development tools.